Hello everyone. So this is an announcement for project work number 2, which is all about confidence interval home costs. So this file just underneath the modules, okay, and just go ahead and complete it by following this instruction in this video. Okay, so here the due date is next week, November 10th 2021, end of the day. So first of all, you will go to website zillow.com and search for your county or zip code or any zip code that you want to work with. Okay, it could be of Ridoso or any places in this country. Okay, so write that down over here: zip code, city, and state. Right, and you need to come up with 35 different home prices. Those are listed in zillow.com. Or there is another option. You can just check the real estate section in your local newspaper, or there are lots of newspaper or their own tabloids which the real estate companies issue their listing prices of various homes. So please go ahead and list all those over here. Okay, and now in the meantime, it's better to write those sizes, of course, 35, right? Now, having all those data in Microsoft Excel will help you to figure out sample mean and standard deviation quite easily. You can do that quite easily, okay? I don't think I have to demonstrate that. Yeah. Now, define the random variable x bar in your own words. So what is that? Okay. So that's sample. What kind of random variable is that? Please explain that. It is just the sample distribution for the distribution to use both words and sample. So how should this distribution to be used? Okay, what do you think about that? Okay, write your logical sentence. It's like, this is for this particular neighborhood or the locality or county that has been this from this range to this range, and price range, I mean the price range and the time frame, okay, those sorts of things. Okay, for this one, find the confidence interval. I would ask you to go for any confidence interval that you would like. Okay, so just write down the confidence interval. What could be that, right? So write down the confidence interval, this much %. Okay, please write that down. Okay, and so the error bound is this much, confidence interval is this much. What was the area? Okay, what is alpha and what is alpha by 2? You know how to do it. Okay, if not, go to the announcement section and check the latest announcement for that. Okay, there I have a video posted over there as well. And write down the confidence level, yeah, everything that you have chosen. Okay, give a logical answer for this one. Okay, some students think that 90% confidence interval contains 90% of data. Use the list of the data on the first page and count how many of the data value lies within the confidence interval. Now, to do this, I would ask you to go to Microsoft Excel. Suppose if you have this kind of data, and look, this kind of data, it's not sorted in an ascending or descending order. So make sure that you sort that in ascending or descending order. Just like you just select this one and go to sort and filter and sort smallest to largest, and then it will sort this thing. And this will help you to understand or try to figure out whether the 90% confidence interval will exactly or approximately contain 90% of the entire data or not. Okay, and that will help you to realize that. And describe the confidence interval. Now, description of confidence interval is that, okay, I am 90% confident that most of the home prices lies within the mean of this much and this much. Okay, within that confidence interval. That should be written down in a very plain and simple language so that anyone can understand. Okay, in 1 to 2 sentences, explain the confidence interval means for this particular study. So what would you say? What would be your statistical interpretation for that? Okay, so please write that down as well. And finally, this is a bit tedious. Okay, using the given information, construct a confidence interval for each confidence level given. Now, I don't want you to go through all of these right away, but so go to this website, calculator.net/confidence interval calculator.html, and try to use this such that it will be very easy for you to calculate all these there are 6 different confidence levels, their error bounds and confidence interval. Okay, please do that. Okay, and then finally answer what happens to EBM, the error bounded on mean, as the confidence level increases. Does the width of the confidence interval increase or decrease? Explain why this happens. So please try to say that whenever, since by using the idea of normal distribution, how does it look like, and what happens if you go further away from if this is mean, if you go further away, if you increase the distance of standard deviation, what does that happen? So that will give you the answer. Okay, I won't say anything right here. Okay, so for this one, again, please go to this website, calculator.net confidence interval calculator.html, or you may use any confidence interval calculator. Okay, so you can find the confidence interval calculator anywhere. So please do that. And finally, you must write down your name and everything over here. Don't forget to do that and send it to me, or upload that in the project work section, and you should be able to do that quite easily. Okay, all right, thank you all. Bye bye.